Want to take control of the content you see on Instagram? In this video, I'll show you how to manage sensitive content settings on your Instagram feed so you can customize your experience. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From here, scroll down until you see Content Preferences, then tap on it. Now, look for Sensitive Content Control and tap on it. Inside this menu, you'll see 3 options. More allows more sensitive content in your feed. Standard maintains the default balance of sensitive content. Less reduces the amount of sensitive content you see. Choose the setting that best fits your preference. Once selected, Instagram will instantly update your feed based on your choice. You've successfully customized your sensitive content settings. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.